it is LaToya here and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hello, welcome. I talk all about natural hair and type 4 hair empowerment. If you are a return viewer, then hi, welcome back. Today's video, as you can tell by the title, is going to be featuring a brand called CurlMix. Not sure if you guys have heard of it before or not, but I'm going to be doing a tutorial and a review and a demo of a wash and go using their products. Also, today's video is a part of my summer wash and go series where I show you guys how different wash and go techniques and products work on my type 4 kinky hair. So without further ado, let's get into this video. But before we do that, make sure you hit that subscribe button if you are not subscribed already. That's just gonna let you know every time I post a new video, especially with this wash and go series. You're gonna wanna know what new brand and products I'm talking about. So make sure you hit that subscribe button down there and hit the bell button so you are notified when I drop a new video. So here is my package that I received in the mail from CurlMix. CurlMix is a natural hair product and body product company founded by a husband and wife. They seem really cool. They post videos on their Instagram and Facebook showing you how to use the product, so I think that's very cool of them. And they were also on an episode of Shark Tank, which is awesome. So yeah, they are the founders of CurlMix. Basically, the products are made with pure ingredients. And what's really cool is on their website, curlmix.com, you go on there and you can take a hair quiz, which is basically going to help you figure out which of their products and which of their product lines is best for your hair type. So it asks you, questions about your texture, your density, your porosity, your styling habits, and then it recommends a product line. They have 4 different product lines, and they do have a 4-step wash and go system, or you can just get the wash and go set. But I have the 4-step wash and go system, and the different fragrances that it comes in is the vanilla berry, the watermelon, lavender, and the lemon cream. And then you also can get a fragrance free if you prefer that as well. So the vanilla berry line is great for strengthening hair, and the watermelon line is great for hair growth. And then the lavender line is moisturizing, and my hair always needs moisture. And then the lemon line is great for softening hair. And then if you get the fragrance-free line, that is great for sensitive skin. So what I got and the results that I got after taking the quiz is the lavender line. So that is what is inside my box here. And their packaging is very, very cute. That's it. That is the lavender line. They sent, a little card with their branding, and also super helpful, they sent a step-by-step of how to use the products, in what order, in what fashion. For example, they do suggest that you style your hair in the shower because the products activate well with the water, and the water, like the weight that your water gives your hair, really helps when applying the products. And then they also suggest either diffusing or blow drying, and they even suggest how to preserve your hair at night. So that's really great about this brand, is they don't just give you the products and are like, go for it. They tell you step by step about how to use them. And they also have a Facebook group, which I'm a part of as well. And in that Facebook group, they do live demonstrations of how to use the products, and you can post and ask questions if you have any issues. They're really nice, and the community is really nice with people that have maybe tried out a product that you haven't. So CurlMix is not only a great product line, but it's a great community as well. All right, so let's get into these products here. So in the lavender line, I have here the aloe vera shampoo, and it's a clarifying shampoo that removes buildup, and this is step 1. And then step 2 is going to be the grapeseed conditioner, hydrating with ultra slip. Step 3 is the first styling product, and that is the Avocado Moisturizer, Moisturizing Organic Jojoba Oil. And then the final step, step 4, is the Pure Flaxseed Gel Moisture Organic Jojoba Oil. And honestly, this gel, the flaxseed gel, is what initially got me interested in this brand because my hair really likes flaxseed. So I thought that, it would work really well. So now that I have introduced the brands and the products to you, I'm gonna let you watch me style my hair, and I'm just gonna kind of talk through how I'm doing it, what worked, what didn't work, and all of that good stuff. And also, just so you guys know, if you do want to try out these products, I do have a discount code. You can go to CurlMix.com and use my discount code LaToya, and that will get you 20% off your purchase. So definitely go to their website, do the quiz, and try out these products. But without further ado, let's get into how they actually work. So as you can see here, it is time for my wash day. My hair is probably stretched out from a twist out or something like that. So I'm just going to drench it with water and start shampooing my hair in sections. I'm starting with the Pure Aloe Vera shampoo, and this shampoo is a clarifying shampoo and it removes buildup. Although this is a clarifying shampoo, it is very gentle and does not strip my hair at all, so I don't feel hesitant to running the shampoo, through my hair strands, because it's not going to dry out my hair. It's just really going to remove any old product from the previous week's styling. After I've shampooed each section, I'm going to go in with the Pure Grapeseed Conditioner. It's a hydrating conditioner with ultra slip, so I'm going to be able to detangle with this conditioner in my hair as well. And whenever I detangle and add conditioner, I always split my sections down into smaller sections. My hair is very dense, so I just want to make sure the product is evenly distributed. And it is pretty easy to comb through my hair. I always start at the ends and work my way down to the root. Being very gentle. It might look a little rougher because it's sped up, but yeah, it's pretty easy to detangle with this conditioner. So at this point, I have conditioned and detangled my entire head, and I'm getting ready to start the styling process. So you see me here rinsing out the grapeseed conditioner, and I'm about to put in the Pure Avocado Moisturizer, and this moisturizer has jojoba oil in it. The directions say for this step, on soaking wet hair in a steamy shower, section hair and apply a nickel-size amount of the Pure Avocado Moisturizer. So that's what I'm doing here. And then for the final step, it says to apply a nickel-size amount of the Pure Flaxseed Gel, and then finger comb your curls to distribute the gel and allow your hair to clump and curl properly. Avoid using combs and brushes during this stage. And as you can see by my goofy facial expressions, I was very impressed as to how these two products started to define my curls, and as I raked my fingers through them, my curls really did start to clump and to pop. Per the instructions of the founders, they say to use 2 pumps of both the moisturizer and the flaxseed gel, but I found that I only needed like 1 pump of the flaxseed gel, otherwise it would cause flaking in my hair. So this is my hair with all the product in it. Just got to give it a little shake to help clump and separate the curls, and also to get excess water and product out, because that also can cause flaking. But my hair is super defined, and I am very impressed with that. And here's a close-up of my finished results. My hair is defined and soft to the touch. To dry my hair, I mainly air dried it just because I didn't want the product to dry too fast on my hair before it soaked into my hair, because I have low porosity hair. So I air dried mostly and then diffused towards the end. And these are my results. And of course, I have a lot of shrinkage like always, especially with styling in the shower. I'm gonna get a lot of shrinkage that way. but I love how soft my hair feels. So that was my experience using CurlMix. It resulted in this defined, very shapely, very like baba boom fro. It gave me great volume, but it also defined my curls. I find a lot that products that give me volume usually like don't define my curls, it's just volume. But this did both, which is great because I really didn't have to like pick out my hair that much. It already, you know, lifted and had a nice shape to it. So yeah, I highly recommend these products, and the fact that they have 4 different lines, even though the fragrances are different, but each line is also for a different kind of hair need. And each line also, I believe the gels have like a different level of hold. I think I'm going to try the vanilla line, the vanilla berry line next, because I think that gel has even more hold. And you know, I like my curls to be poppin', so I'm definitely gonna try out that line next. But yeah, these products are great. They last a long time. I've already used them like 3 times and still have a lot left. They say that getting the 4 product system, it'll last you like 4 to 6 weeks, which I can definitely see them lasting me like 6 weeks, because I didn't need to put like a whole lot of the styling products, especially the gel. I didn't need a whole lot of. So yeah, they're definitely gonna last me a long time. Don't forget that you can use my discount code LaToya to get 20% off your purchase. Please let me know down in the comments if you have any questions about this brand, about the company, about my results, and I'll be happy to answer them for you. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up if you liked it and you made it to this point in the video, then you probably liked it. So just go ahead and give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. You know, if anyone's looking for some new hair products, you know, definitely share it with them. Also, don't forget to continue to watch my Wash and Go series, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.